Okay, so good morning. We've both trained. I trained at 6:45 this morning at F45.
I trained at 9:30, which is a little
Erin
more civil.
just trained at Flow Athletics. She had, what was it, spin and yoga?
I can't feel my legs.
She's dying. It's leg day for
Now
her.
it's hot.
So now I'm making her walk it off. We're doing a little lactic acid cleanse, I guess.
Yeah.
So just walking it out, enjoying the view. It is such a beautiful day now. It was really cloudy when we started, but it's just gorgeous now.
Sydney is definitely putting on the goods today.
Yeah,
Very
so
happy.
if you're in Europe or North America or anywhere in the North Hemisphere, I'm really sorry, but you should come visit us because it is gorgeous right now. This is the best time of year to be in Sydney. It is absolutely stunning. It's about 33 degrees Celsius. So beautiful. And we have some really pretty beaches here. Let's have a look. Look at that. The color of the water is insane today. It's so pretty. Oh. And you want to go skiing right now?
Skiing?
We could go to the Northern Hemisphere to the cold.
Not even a little bit,
I think
guys.
we'll stay
Not
on the
even
beach.
a little bit.
Sorry guys, we'll come skiing another time.
Happy Monday.
Have a great day guys. See ya.